everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Len. You ever been in one of those situations where somebody calls you up, invites you over for dinner, asks you to bring a dessert, and you just don't know what to do? I'm here to help you out. Today, we're going to make an easy chocolate mint pie. There's no baking involved, and it's quick. It's delicious. So let's get going. So first thing we want to do is we're going to get some of these mint chocolate cookies from the store. You're going to put them all in a bag, and then you're going to crush them all up. You can use a hammer, you can use a rock if you don't have a hammer, or a rolling pin, or your fist, but you just need to get these all crushed up. Alright, well that was fun. So you want to get into like a real powdery substance. Then we're going to take a 1/4 cup of water, add it right in there. Oh, forgot to tell you, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of the stuff, set it to the side. Okay, now look at this, we're going to mix this up. Graham cracker crust, 9 to 10 inch size for a graham cracker crust. And we're going to take our cookie mixture, pop it down there. Spread it on the bottom. I try not to mash down because you don't want to break this crust as much as possible. All right, now that you have it evenly on the bottom, or as best as you can, you're going to set this to the side, and we're going to make the filling. So next, we're going to make the filling. You get a large bowl, put 4 ounces of cream cheese in there, and we're going to beat this until it's fluffy. Then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/3 cup of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract. Now don't use more than a 1/4 teaspoon. This stuff is pretty strong. And you're going to beat this together until it's nice and smooth. So now we're going to take a 8-ounce tub of whipped topping, and we're going to add this to our mint mixture. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to fold it in. So you're going to take it down to the bottom, you're going to pull it up. So take it down, pull it up, push in. So now that we have this all nice and folded in, you want to make sure you have this folded very well or mixed very well. Then we're going to take our crust, the mint cookies on the bottom, and we're just going to pop this down in there. So now once we get it in there, we're just going to spread it around. And I guess if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of green food coloring to make this look more minty green or what have you. So now we're going to take the 2 tablespoons of cookie crumbs we got set aside, sprinkle on the top. So now once you have this set, you have this in there, we're going to cover it. Usually these pies come with a plastic covering. Going to put that on top. Then we're going to refrigerate for at least 3 hours. Usually what I do is I bake these the night before, and I let them sit in the refrigerator overnight. Just something I like to do. Just make sure it is nice and firm. That's what you're going for, is make sure the pie is firmed up nicely. Okie dokie, so it's the next day. Apparently I fell asleep last night after dinner. One of those dinners where it just stuck to your ribs and you just fall asleep afterwards. So I've cut this up. You can cut them into slices on however big you want. And let's put this on there. Looks like it's thickened up, or it's not runny right there, so it looks like it's pretty good. Oops. There we go. There's a mint pie. So please click the like and subscribe button. Subscribing is free and it helps my channel grow. And thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this dessert. See you next time.